Today we're tackling a crucial topic: how to protect your plants from unexpected weather extremes. Whether it's frost, heat waves, or heavy rains, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about frost. A sudden frost can damage or kill your plants. To protect them, cover your plants with frost blankets or burlap. For smaller plants, you can use cloches or even an upside-down bucket. Remember to water your plants in the afternoon before a frost. Moist soil retains heat better than dry soil. Next, let's address heat waves. High temperatures can stress your plants and cause wilting. To prevent this, provide shade using garden fabric or shade cloth. Water your plants early in the morning to reduce evaporation, and consider using mulch to keep the soil cool and moist. Finally, heavy rains can lead to waterlogged soil and root rot. Ensure your garden has good drainage by incorporating organic matter into your soil and using raised beds. You can also create temporary shelters with plastic sheeting to divert excess water away from your plants. With these tips, you'll be better prepared to protect your garden from any weather extreme. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!